Hey, how you doing there? Henry Olsen here from Super Simple Guitar, and welcome to another 5-Minute Friday. Short and simple little lesson that you can take, make your own, and have a lot of fun with over the weekend. So today I'm going to be showing you how to take just a standard, minor chord. Let's say you're playing a vamp with a band like this. And instead of just playing that minor chord and strumming it, you could add in little things. That's going to make it sound much, much more interesting. Right, so that's what I'm going to be showing you how to do. It's going to be a quick little lesson, but there's going to be a lot of ideas in here that you're going to be able to take, make your own, and again, have a lot of fun with over the weekend. So without any further ado, let's get into it. All right, welcome back. Let's get right into it. So we're working out of A minor today, but this will work in any key, okay? You can do this in G and A and C, any key you want to. And I'm also going to have a free tab linked for you in the description, and I'm also going to link to that backing track. When you go get the tab, you're also going to get the backing track to practice along with as well, okay? So it'll be a very, very, engaging way of practicing, fun way of practicing this. So, so instead of just playing the A minor like this, which sounds really, really cool. And if you don't know how to do that, let me show you really quickly. I'm just hitting the bass notes, and then I'm strumming down on kind of those first 3 to 4 strings. And after I hit them with my left hand, I'm releasing, but I'm still touching the strings, which is muting them out. So that's really cool thing to do if you don't know how to do that yet. Definitely play around with that. But if you can already do that, let's take it a step further, okay? So out of any minor chord that looks like this, a minor bar chord, you always have that first pentatonic shape right under your fingertips. All of the notes from that first pentatonic box will work right under your fingertips. It's right there. So what we're going to be doing today for our little lick, we're going to use kind of double stops, 3-note kind of things, and also add in some little licks as well, which is going to make it sound super interesting. So what I'm doing now is I'm holding down the, the 3rd and 4th string, 5th fret, and I'm kind of, first of all, hammering onto the 7th fret. So I'm doing that hammer on, kind of picking it a couple times, and then doing a hard hit down, and then muting out the notes. So see that? Instead of doing, we're doing, see? And then we're going to add in another lick. So that's really, really cool Hendrixy style thing. So that's, and the really cool thing that I really like the most about this lick is this little hammer-on pull-off thing. So, right, you're going to have to practice that a little bit and make sure that your guitar has nice and low action so you can get that sounding really, really well. My Strat, actually, the action went way up because of the temperature changes. So that's why I'm using this guitar today, because it's just hard to play when the action isn't, nice and low. So that's a little tip for you. If you have high action, make sure to, get it set up, okay? So, so that's... And you can see I have these little dead notes in there. See that? And I'm kind of just doing that to keep time for myself. So, don't ask me exactly how I do that. I don't even know how I do it exactly, but I'm just kind of doing that to keep time. If you can't do that, or you just want to play it slightly differently, again, make this yours. That's the whole idea of these 5 Minute Fridays, that I give you little chunks of information that you then take, improvise, and have a lot of fun with and play around with, okay? So what I want you to do now is get that backing track. Make sure to go get the tab in the backing track so that it's easier for you to follow along and you can actually practice exactly what we're doing here. So to take this one step further, to make this lick even cooler, what you can do is this little walk up, which I really, really like the sound of. So that's just this. These are thirds. So the first one is 2 half steps up, and it looks exactly the same. And then this one is 1 half step up, and that's a major third. That's a minor third, and that's also a minor third. Okay, so see that cool little walk up? And what I'm trying to do is also, as I walk up, I want to mute those notes. So I'm using my first finger to kind of keep those other notes quiet. Or you could, of course, try to be very precise with your pick. Both will work fine, but I kind of like to use my finger to kind of keep those quiet. Again, something to play around with. Don't worry about it. If it's not totally clean, it's still going to be very cool. Okay, so one more time. Something like that. So what I want you to do now is, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. I'd love to teach you and give you more lessons. Also, make sure to go download that tab and get that backing track so that you have a more fun and kind of interactive way of practicing this. And then just try to go for it. Don't be afraid. If you can't play it perfectly clean, or if this is all new for you, don't worry. Just go for it. Try it. You can do this, and you can make it sound really, really cool. Yes, and let me know how it goes in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you and hear, or even see a video, link a video so I can watch you play this. So that's about that. Have a great weekend, everybody. Thank you for hanging out with me. I hope that this lesson helped you, gave you some ideas, gave you some inspiration. That's what I'm here to do. I hope it did exactly that. And I'll see you very soon next Friday with another 5 Minute Friday. Have a great weekend. Take it easy. Bye-bye.